arriving at Puerto Rico. Here we are in Puerto Rico, the Carnival celebration. It's the ship I'm on, and Freedom of the Seas is here. It's pretty crowded, like a lot of little huts, people selling jewelry, all types of stuff. This is Old San Juan.
Little kioscos they just have.
Restaurante.
Todas estas tiendas, todo esto tiendas. Did you want a sombrero?
This is a place to just spend money.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is where the umbrellas used to be, and they took it down. I wonder how long that sign's been there. It looks really old. This is a really cool building. That's a nice building. This is the front of the bank. That's my crazy family. That's them making ices. We stopped and got some ices. Mine is coconut.
Huh?
What flavor is that?
Alcha.
Parcha.
¿Y esto cómo se llama?
What flavor is that?
Frambuesa en tamarindo.
Frambuesa and tamarindo. And we ended up getting a massive rainstorm here in Puerto Rico. So back on the ship. leaving San Juan, Puerto Rico. Looks beautiful at night.